a very uh, important activity going on in this hall. I congratulate the director of the center, Dr. Nazir Ahmed Dar, Dr. Fatima, my registrar of the university, Dr. Nasir Iqbal, various, deans of the faculty, the other, our faculty who's associated with CCPC, uh, whom we have, very carefully, I have chosen them, keeping in view their assertiveness, and I'm very much confident that that assertiveness as an input is being given to the center. My senior faculty members from the campus, officers of the administration, dear students and participants. Once more, I say I'm so happy to see that this hall is full with audience. When I talk of our Center for Career Planning and Counseling, in brief we call it as CCPC. Believe me that it's one of the very important centers of our university, and from the day one since I have joined as Vice Chancellor of the university, my focus has been on this center because I know that there are lots of expectations from this center, that CCPC, from our society, from our youth, from our students, and we in the university as administrators, as faculty, we need to fulfill those aspirations of our youth. Recently I had deputed Dr. Nazir to Delhi in order to see the model of Jamia Millia. What's the model of Jamia Millia for coaching? And definitely, inshallah, we are going to make our coaching very vibrant and very result oriented. In our CCPC, we'll be discussing with the director and his team about that, so that it becomes more workable and it becomes more result oriented. This should not be the only program. आप South Campus में करिए, North Campus में करिए, we can rope in colleges also. Colleges के students के लिए कर सकते हैं, so that really things are result oriented. From day one I'm saying that CCP has a major role. It has a major role to play. Although we have been doing number of activities, but to be honest, the way it should have been more result oriented. कहीं पे हमारी we have been little bit laid back. I'm sure that with the joint efforts we are able to make it more vibrant now and more result oriented. Only awareness and training won't be enough. We have to be focused on result oriented. That's my मेरी दिल की ख्वाहिश है कि जैसे नसीद साहब ने बताया, एक केस क्यों नहीं निकलेगा, 20 क्यों नहीं निकल सकते हैं. आप बताइए उस चीज़ के लिए हमें क्या करना है. How IAS aspirants can succeed here. हम जामिया के साथ कुछ कोलैबोरेशन कर सकते हैं, उनकी कुछ एक्सपर्टीज ले सकते हैं, एंड यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर इज ओपन. आई विल डेफिनेटली लाइक कि थ्रू दिस ग्रुप आप थोड़ा सा इनसे फीडबैक ले लीजिए. what students want from CCPC. That will be, again, maybe we are missing out at something which these students can tell us, so that we can organize programs, we can be more connected with them. Let them tell us, and in your definitely you must be having a counseling or help desk in your center. एक ज़रूर रखे counseling and help desk. I want from the students should come up what they want from this particular center, and we'll see if we are able to do it. पहले तो आप इन्हीं से एक survey feedback ले लीजिए from this, since this group is over here, and definitely inshallah we'll do it. for the youth of our UT and for the students of our UT, students of our educational institutions. Even you can move to school level, you can move to college level, immense role that this CCPC can play, and definitely this is a beginning. Inshallah, we'll definitely do it.
I'm sure that the participants who have come today, maybe some of you have come first time to the university. Some may be our dear students. When I joined as a registrar very recently and had the first meeting with the Honorable Vice Chancellor, the first thing my Honorable Vice Chancellor directed me is that we have to make this center functional and it should look as one of the best coaching centers of the country. See, if you see the present scenario, we have so many students getting qualified from these universities and colleges. But ultimately that important is that what is the new direction for their future? The new direction for their future is not only that we will sit on the road and demand jobs. No. The new direction is that we have to come to the expectations and qualify the very good competitive level exams. For that, university should come forward, and I am sure that under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Vice Chancellor, we will be committed to do that. Usually, what I have seen that in the last, you have also seen it, in the last decade, if we not go too far, now more than 10 candidates qualify the civil service from J&K. More than 10. But when I was a student, there were none. Nobody would be, nobody's name would come in the papers that he has qualified to IAS or IPS. But now more than 10 candidates are always getting qualified. We should try our best. Why only 10? Why not in 20s and 30s and 40s? Some time back I was talking to my Honorable Vice Chancellor that if you see a coaching center for the civil service which is in Jamia Millia, if 25 to 30 candidates make their names from Jamia Millia coaching center, why at least 20 will not make our names from the coaching center that we will have in the University of Kashmir? Yes, for that we need to work on both sides. To provide the infrastructure is our domain, and that we will do. We will leave many things, but we will provide this thing. Because that is the demand of the present scenario for the students. There is no shortage of good jobs. Good jobs are always available in the market. But one thing is very important is that now competitions are there. Since there are competitions, and you have been groomed to such a level where you can easily qualify, the only thing is that you need a direction. The only thing is that the students need a guidance. The students need a counseling. The students need a coaching. We will provide you such an environment, dear students. We will provide you such an environment where you will have a mini world in the university. You will not be, you need not to go out. We will provide you every facility in the university. With the permission of the Honorable Vice Chancellor, we will talk to the concerned librarian of the library to provide you such a space where you can sit not only for the days, but we will provide you an environment where you can sit for the night. The accommodation should be very near to your complex. Of course, male students will get a separate accommodation, and the girl students, we will try our best to have their separate accommodation in the, we are likely to have a new hostel. We can provide that accommodation, some block we can provide for these students, because ultimately you are our future.
I extend a heartfelt welcome to each of you on behalf of the Center for Career Planning and Counseling, University of Kashmir. Your presence at this significant two-day event, which marks the inauguration of our workshop, is deeply appreciated. Thank you. We are truly honored by the gracious presence of Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Nilofer Khan. Without your guidance and help, Madam, the workshop would have not been possible. Your acceptance of our invitation underscores the importance of this workshop and topics we will delve into during this workshop. I extend my sincere thanks to our distinguished speakers, Mr. Mohit Mehraj, founder of Kashmir Box, Mr. Rahil Rai, Cambridge and INSEED alumnus and VIP Work in Progress founder, Ms. Shalmoli Haldar, a Yale alumna, Mr. Arun Sarkar, who will join us from Germany tomorrow, a distinguished career counselor. Your knowledge and insights will surely make this workshop a great success. Thank you for your time. Before going into the workshop details, I would like to take this opportunity to say a few words about CCPC. In line with CCPC's mandate, which includes counseling, coaching, training, and placements of the students, we play a pivotal role in guiding and coaching students towards the aspirations, including civil services, NEET, and NET set. We organize a multitude of counseling, mentoring, and motivational sessions aimed at nurturing and holistic development of our students. We are exploring collaborations and partnerships with industry giants to enhance the employability of our students. For example, we have tie-ups with Tata Consultancy Services and Tata Advanced System Limited, and these efforts manifested into 260 placements in last year only. Further, the Honorable Vice Chancellor and worthy Registrar have shared their vision and plans to elevate CCPC into an esteemed center of excellence and sophistication. We are committed, Madam, and promise that to implementing these strategies to enhance our standards.